Hello dear students, welcome to the math classes. Our today's topic is integers. During today's class we are going to speak about the integers. We will discuss the integers on the number line. We will speak about ordering integers, and finally we will be talking about adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing integers. First, let's discuss integers. A positive or a negative whole number, including 0, is called an integer. For instance, let's take -3, or we can also say -3. It also can be written -3 or -3 in brackets. This number is 3 less than 0. In other words, if you subtract 3 from 0, you are going to have -3. 0 minus 3 equals -3. In order to better understand this concept, we can show the integers on the number line. Let's place 0 in the middle. In this case, on the right side, there are going to be positive integers, whereas to the left, the integers are going to be negative. This concept is very helpful once comparing the integers as well. For instance, -3 is more than -8 because -8 is more to the left than -3. A number line can help you to order the integers as well. Let's have a look at the number line that we have. The integers that we need to order are on your screen: -2, 8, 2, -6, -9, and 5. First thing that we need to do is to place these numbers on the number line. Therefore, let's start with the first one. Here is -2. Continue placing the integers on the number line. So the integers in order are coming from left to right. This is going to be -9, -6, -2, 2, 5, and 8. Therefore, in order to order the integers, we can use a number line. It is important to know the difference between ascending and descending order. When numbers are ordered in ascending order, that means they are ordered from the smallest to the largest. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 2, 10, 16, 25. When the numbers are ordered in descending order, that means they are ordered from the largest to the smallest. For example, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 25, 16, 10, 2. Let us discuss the next example. -3 plus 7. First, we need to decide at what number do we start. We need to start at -3. Then, we need to decide the direction. Are we moving left or right? Since we are adding, we are moving right. Then, we need to decide how many steps do we need to move. Since we are adding 7, we are moving 7 steps. So, we start with -3 and move 7 steps to the right. The answer is going to be +4. Sometimes you will see signs one after another in the middle. Remember, if the signs in the middle are the same, you can replace them with plus. For example, when subtracting -6 from 8, the answer is going to be 14 because 2 negative signs in the middle will be replaced by positive plus sign. 8 plus 6 will be 14. In the meantime, if the signs in the middle are different, you can replace them by minus, negative sign. For example, 8 plus -6, the 2 signs in the middle will be replaced by minus, and the answer is going to be +2. Now it's time for you to start practicing. On your screen, you see some problems. Please pause the video, take your time, and try to solve them. Now you will see the answers on your screen. I'm sure you have them all correct. If any questions or problems occur, you can always go and refer to the number line to help you solve the problems. For example, 5 multiplied by 6 is going to be positive 30 because the signs are the same. Negative 5 multiplied by negative 6 is equal to positive 30 because the signs are the same. And finally, negative 30 divided by negative 5 is equal to 6, positive 6, because the signs are the same. In the meantime, negative 5 multiplied by positive 6 will be negative 30 because the signs are different. 5 multiplied by negative 6 is equal to negative 30 because the signs are different. And finally, now it's time for you to practice. On your screen, you see the problems. Please take your time, pause this video, and try to find the answers. Now you see the answers on your screen. Remember, when multiplying and dividing, if the signs are the same, the answer is positive integer. If the signs are different, the answer is negative integer. Dear students, today we have discussed integers on a number line. We have also discussed how to add and subtract integers, multiply and divide integers. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Have a nice day and goodbye.